Two industry leaders in business workflow, Freshsales and ServiceNow, go head-to-head. Which one really delivers? On the left, Freshsales, streamlining CRM automation for sales teams. And on the right, ServiceNow, powering service management at scale. Let's cut past the jargon and see how these platforms actually stack up. We'll score both across multiple categories, and at the end, you'll get a clear winner. The result could surprise you. First off, let's see what we're actually comparing, right? So we'll look at pricing, scalability, features, and, ease of use, which is honestly so underrated. Got it? That's our focus, and I'll walk you through each one. Let's start with pricing. So Freshsales, right off the bat, you get pretty competitive pricing. Like, it's actually friendly for small teams, plus low setup costs. It's not going to wreck your budget. Though, kind of a bummer that some free features are, well, a bit limited. Now, ServiceNow, that's on the higher end. It's got robust return on investment if you're running a big organization. But that first payment, the initial investment is pretty steep. So if you're crunching numbers, Freshsales comes out on top for this one.
Next, scalability. With Freshsales, it's super easy for small businesses. You just plug in and go. But if you're looking to grow into a giant corporation, it does start to sweat a bit. ServiceNow, on the other hand, is kind of a beast here. Handles complex setups and massive organizations like a champ. Although, gotta admit, the setup phase can be a maze. So, if you're dreaming big, ServiceNow stands tall. Okay, moving on to features. Freshsales gives you some slick lead scoring and automation, which I love, and it works for most sales needs. But when you need those heavy lifting enterprise features, there's a noticeable gap, right? ServiceNow, and here's something cool. It's like the Swiss Army knife for service management. Tons of integration, super comprehensive features. But man, if you just need something simple, it can be a bit overwhelming. Still, for pure capability, ServiceNow wins here.
Oh, did you know? CRM and ITSM tools are absolutely crucial for business efficiency these days. Seriously, it's wild how much smoother things can run with the right tools. Ease of use. Honestly, this is where Freshsales kind of shines. The interface is really intuitive, and the support is actually good. If you're a beginner, it's about as friendly as it gets. But customization is a little restricted, so keep that in mind. ServiceNow. It's got lots of deployment options, which sounds awesome, but at first glance, the interface can feel like you've walked into an airplane cockpit. So if you want quick and easy, Freshsales is the winner. If we map out all our categories, you'll notice Freshsales kind of owns ease of use and pricing, while ServiceNow takes the crown for scalability and overall features. It's almost like picking your fighter based on what you need most. So, final thoughts. Freshsales is honestly great for small businesses that want painless CRM. Simple, effective, budget-friendly. ServiceNow, though, is what you want if you're dealing with complex or large-scale service management. More powerful, but a little extra on the setup and cost. They both have quirks, but it really depends on what fits your business vibe.
Need more insights? Hang tight, because we've got plenty more tech comparisons coming your way. Hit subscribe if you want to stay ahead of the curve.